Hey, I'm here with a 2015 Toyota Sienna. Should be similar for the 2010 up models to 2020. Replacing the neutral safety switch. I was able to get it through the wheel well. It is very tight. I had to use a little bit of a pry bar just to apply some tension while I removed the clip, the electronic clip harness. And then there are 3 bolts. It actually came quite easily. It was just difficult getting the socket wrench into these very tight quarters. There is a little pocket for my arms. I was able to fit through here, if you can see my fingers. So that can help to get 2 hands, get leverage. And then again, it's just tight. If you take off the top component first, that 12 millimeter nut, that makes things a little easier, and then you can get the 2 10s. Here it is. I was planning to take it apart and clean it. It appears they made a decision to make these non-serviceable or something. There are no screws. So to be determined how I solve the problem from here, probably looking at buying a replacement.